You work for a medium or large size company with hundreds or thousands of employees, and your current phone system is end of life. So it's that time to add the phone system project to the list of things you're doing this year. But you're wondering, which cloud phone system service providers are the best out there in 2025? Well, my name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. Hey, you can watch this video and get all kinds of good information on this decision, but if you'd like a shortcut, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I will tell you which cloud phone system solutions your company should be quoting and why, and it won't cost you anything. I do not charge for my services. So send me an email, give me a call. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my future weekly videos that I put out. And if you like the video, hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, so if you've done any research so far on this phone system project, you know that there are thousands of different options when it comes to phone systems, especially cloud phone systems. That's really where the market has gone since probably your last phone system that your company bought. So which phone systems should your company be quoting? Which are the best specifically for medium to large size organizations? Well, you're in luck. That's the question I get asked of me all the time. It's actually my job. I'm a broker for all the major phone system vendors out there. So every day I'm helping customers sift through all the different vendors and find the best ones for their business. Well, how do I do that? Well, you know, phone systems, one size doesn't fit all. There's thousands of options out there. I represent, I think, 500 of them or so. But you know, the same phone system that's a good fit for your company may not be the same phone system that's a good fit for another company. There isn't one or two phone systems that I could say, hey, these phone systems are the best for any company, anytime, anywhere, no matter what. That doesn't exist. So how do you end up finding the best phone system for your company? Well, 4 very important questions will really help you narrow the field a little bit. I definitely ask these 4 questions of all my customers before I make any recommendations, and I'm going to tell you what they are in this video. Now, my real list of questions is a mile long. That's how I really get you to the best vendors. I ask you a bunch of different questions, but these 4 will help get you pretty far. Question number 1, is your company's locations, or are your company's locations global? Do you have employees all over the globe? Or are you just located in one country like the United States or Canada? So where are your locations at, and are they global? That's question number 1. Question number 2, does your company have a call center? That's definitely going to differentiate providers one over the next. Some providers have contact center, call center, some providers don't. So that's going to differentiate it. That's going to narrow down a little bit for you. Question number 3, does your company want to integrate your phone system with your CRM or ERP software? That's going to narrow down. And what ERP software or CRM software does your company use? Are you using Salesforce? Are you using HubSpot? Are you using Oracle? Well, certain phone system solutions already have a pre-built integration with the CRM or ERP software that your company is using. So based on that answer, I'm going to recommend different vendors for you based on the type of software you're using and if you want to integrate it. If you don't care, obviously that doesn't matter, but that's a big question to ask. And finally, question number 4, this has really just emerged in the last 5 years, is what is your company doing with Microsoft Teams? Are you using Microsoft Teams religiously inside of your organization for instant messaging and conferencing? Do you use Microsoft Teams at all? Is Microsoft Teams the phone system that you possibly want to look into? Or do you just want the phone system to be able to embed inside Microsoft Teams? All those are good questions that I would definitely be asking you. What are you guys doing today with Teams? What licensing level do you have? What's ideally the outcome you want to have between your phone system and the interaction with Microsoft Teams? That's definitely going to help narrow the field in terms of finding the best vendors who do exactly what you guys want to do with Microsoft Teams. All right, well, those are my 4 questions. Again, I have a lot more questions in addition to that. If you'd like to have my recommendation on the best small handful of phone system vendors your medium to large size company should be looking into, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. This is my job. I'm a broker for all the major vendors out there. I represent all the vendors you've heard of. And once you call me or email me, either one, I'll ask you some questions. And based on your answers to those questions, I will narrow down the vendor choices for you. And I will introduce you to the best small handful of vendors your company should be quoting. I'll introduce you to the best salespeople to work with at those vendors. I'll help you arrange demos with all those vendors. And I'll oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing possible from your vendor of choice. I'll also give you some inside information on which vendors have a good reputation, which have a bad, which other things you should be really looking out for, maybe some tips on your terms and conditions, with the things you should be asking for, all that good stuff. The nice thing is, on top of all that, I don't charge your company a dime for my broker services. The cloud phone system vendors actually pay me my broker fee, so you don't have to pay me anything. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. I've been doing this for over 20 years, a long time, and I know the landscape inside and out. I will definitely help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So reach out and contact me. I'd love to talk to you about this stuff. All right, again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And if you liked the video, if it helped you out a little bit, do me a favor, hit the like button. Maybe leave me a comment down below. Tell me about what you like about it. Ask me further questions. Tell me what other technologies you'd like me to make videos on. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.